Kamagani everyone, this is Shivangi Khangaroth. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perfectly apply mascara and get rid of those stains which we just end up by applying the mascara and those tiny particles that just falls onto this area, and to maintain the curve. So in this video I'm going to show you to not have those problems. And before we just get into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and click on the ring bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And if you want to see the right way how to apply mascara, then please keep on watching. So sometimes when we buy a product which is used by other also, and when they are using, it's working absolutely fine, but when we are using that product, it seems like it's not working on us. And same is on the mascara. Normally mascara seems like it's so easy to use, but actually most of the women don't know how to use it. So enough talking, let's just start. I'll be using this L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes mascara. So now I'm going to tell you the worst thing which you can also do to your mascara is when you are opening the mascara, you use like it to just take out the product, but actually this is the wrong way. So what's the right way is you have to just twirl the brush and you see a lot of product in this brush. If you think that there is a lot of product, you can wipe it off, but I think that if we are spending our money, it's a wastage of product also. So I got you closer to see exactly what I am doing. As you can see right here, we have the skin exactly the same we are having on the upper side also, that on the roots we have to start applying the mascara. So you have to place the brush like this, can you see, and then just blink it. You don't have to apply on tip of it like this. That means that your movement should not be like this. Okay, your movement of the brush should be like twist your brush, blink it, and like this. Now if you will ask me how to blink is when your brush is further from the roots, like little bit further, then you have to blink your eye. What will happen if you just blink on the roots of it, you will end up by staining your eye. Let it be, I'll show you how to remove it also. For this eye we have to take out the product. Now if you will take out the product and do like this, firstly you're gonna ruin your brush, okay? And the second thing is, if you are doing this kind of situation, you are letting air to go into that tube and your mascara will dry fastly. So make sure that you just twirl it out and then take out your product. Be gentle while applying also and while taking out the product also. Now as you can see that when I'm applying to the inner part, I'm not blinking that much. So you can either apply mascara directly, or if you want that perfect curve, you can use eyelash curler also. You have to apply mascara in a zigzag motion so that your lashes get separated. So now I will show you how to get rid of that stain. So for that you have to take a clean spoolie and remove that stain. See, it removed so easily with this spoolie. And the same thing on those parts where I get stain from that mascara. If you see the stain on cheeks also, remove that. And see, if you have applied more product, you can actually take again the spoolie and brush it on. What it will do, it will take out your excess mascara. Like normally when you are buying a new mascara and you will use it for the once or twice time, it will take out the excess product, and for that you can use this trick. It will try to remove the extra product, and make sure that you are using this spoolie or this trick when your mascara gets dried. And the second thing, it will try to separate more of your lashes. Now I'm going to apply again the second layer. The same thing, you have to just twist it, twist the brush, blink it and do zigzag. Oh god. See, this is how mascara does the magic. Why we used to do zigzag kind of situation is just to separate all those lashes, because when we are applying mascara, it try to stuck 3 to 4 lashes. So that's why I'm saying you to zigzag your lashes so that it easily gets separated. So it's dried. Now you have to take again the spoolie, and that's all. It's done. What it will actually do is it will peel off that mascara. Another problem is when we apply, like sometimes we apply makeup and we go to work, and when we come back to home we see mess under the eye, and that's just because we are applying mascara on the lower lash. So for that I have 2 tricks. The first one is actually you can apply the loose powder, and I will recommend you to use this Palladio pressed rice powder. It's actually the best powder. It has no color in it, and whenever you feel some shining kind of situation on your face, you can apply this powder and go away. And the second trick is, sometimes we see a lot of product that just transfers onto this area. Again, take the spoolie, take the powder, apply on the tip of it. So I used to also do the same thing on my eyes also, and this will actually remove the chances to not get stain on your under eye. The other problem is whenever we used to apply mascara, it just get those tiny particles and then just falls out onto this area especially. This is because of the reason that you are using a poor mascara. That means that maybe you are using this mascara for more than 4 months, because what I have observed is if you are using more than 4 months mascara, it will make the cluster of those mascara and then it will falls out no matter what you are doing. And now the most common problem is to maintain those curves. Now there is also 2 tricks for that. One is you can use a eyelash curler. Before using the eyelash curler, make sure that you warm up with lighter or with the hair dryer and then use it. It will take you throughout the day. And the second trick is use the waterproof mascara. Like, I don't know what it has in it, but it tries to sustain more hours to have those perfect curves. So yeah, this is all. I have shown you all those problems related to mascara. So if you enjoyed watching, please like this video and make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.